Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to set up Audacity for the best recording and editing experience on Windows. To begin, open the Edit menu and select Preferences. This is where all the important Audacity settings are located. In Audio Settings, you can choose your microphone and speaker devices. Selecting the correct input and output devices helps ensure clear recording and playback. Next, open the Recording section. Here you can review the recording options that Audacity uses when capturing audio. Then move to the Playback section, where you can check the audio output settings for monitoring and listening. The Quality section allows you to choose the sample rate and audio quality for your projects. In the Interface section, you can customize the appearance of Audacity and adjust display preferences. You can also review the Directory section, which shows where Audacity stores temporary files and project data. After reviewing these settings, click OK to save your preferences. Once these options are configured correctly, Audacity is ready for recording, editing, and exporting audio. That's how to set up Audacity on Windows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.